Hey, what's going on, friends? Eric Crumbaker coming at you from Cal American and the CG Group out of Claremont, California. Hey, how's it going? I mean, what's today, July 30th? We're in the middle of COVID. Our country's in unrest. I feel like our world has a little bit of unrest going on. There's just a lot of somber feeling, energy going around, and I just wanted to address it today, you know. I feel that you only can control what you can control, and there's just so much chaos and there's so much unknown with this virus and where it's going, and I feel that a lot of people are just unsure what to do or unsure how to feel, and I think that's okay. I think it's okay to not really be able to put your finger on exactly how you feel these days, and I think that's normal. And you know, it's funny, I would say a decade ago when I first started getting coached and I started working on myself, I started early on working on my brain and my mind and my positive thoughts and doing affirmations and having a journal and having gratefuls and having great support systems and putting yourselves in an ecosystem. And I feel I've been working on this for so long, and it's times like this when there's turmoil and there's volatility and there's unrest that it's all that hard work that I did in the past seems to come full circle now. And I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of talk about what are some things that I'm doing to keep my mind healthy, keep my body active, try not to watch the news, and really just try to keep an active lifestyle when it's hard to keep an active lifestyle. You know, we're not allowed to do a lot of things. A lot of places are closed, and a lot of outdoor activities have been limited due to just so many people out and about. So, you know, I made a video a little while ago about meds, you know, meditation, exercise, diet, and sleep. And those are really, really important attributes to be following right now, especially during this time when you're at home, you're away from your work. Trying to keep a routine. If you can keep a routine going day in and day out, it really brings clarity into your mind. So if you can kind of stick to the routine of the meds, the MEDS, you know, meditation, exercise, diet, and sleep, that's a good baseline to live by. And if you might notice a little difference as you're doing this. But some of the things I want to talk about, a lot of people, I mean, are you reading right now? Are you reading any books to take your mind away from what's currently present in your life, a little far away? You know, you get into a book and all of a sudden you kind of disappear under the pages. I think reading is really valuable right now. I know I mentioned exercise. You know, now's a really good time to do the things that we said we wanted to do 10 years ago or 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna do this. I think things have slowed down a little bit. So being able to exercise, putting yourself on a routine is really important right now. I've been trying to go to the gym 7 days a week, actually trying to do 2 a days on certain days if it allows it. So exercise is such a very, very smart thing. You know, another thing, charitable contributions. I feel giving back, helping other people in need right now really gives a sense of self-awareness about where we're at and makes us feel good when we can help others who are struggling during this time. And I'll tell you right now, there are a lot of people struggling, and some of the charitable contributions aren't necessarily just giving to charities, but helping around in the community. There are a lot of local businesses that are hurting right now because they're not getting the normal foot traffic that they would usually get back in February, January, or years ago. So going local, shopping local, it's really important. I'm not against big companies, but local farmers markets, local grocery stores, people that actually live in the community that operate a business to stay afloat. They have a home, they have a mortgage, they have kids. So really putting some injection into the local market. And second, support system. Or actually it's more like third. Support system is really important. Having a support system, having a group of friends, having a group of family members, whoever it may be, confidants, mentors, coaches that you can lean into. We're not bulletproof. We're not machines. We have emotions. We have hearts. Our brains work against us. And during this time, I think it's normal to feel uneasy. I think it's normal to kind of be just, I mean, I hear a lot of people arguing and this, that, and the other. I feel a lot of that's normal. When you're at home with the same person every single day, you know, you have to find workaround things to make yourselves better. And I think having a support system, having an ecosystem, having a group that you can lean into and get some other information, because right now we're just so trapped right between the ears that sometimes we don't really know what to do or what to think. So, you know, these are some trying times. And I know during trying times, a lot of people just don't know what to do or how to feel, and they can kind of get paralyzed in their own thoughts. And it's very important, I feel, during these times to keep a positive mindset, keep a very healthy body, and try to do as much to improve where you're at as much as other people that are local in the community, and have a support system that can help you get through this. This is my video for this week. I hope to see you guys all next week. And again, I will see you guys next week. Again, stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave them below. DM me if you have anything you want to say. Again, guys, cheers. Have a good one. Be safe out there.